going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a viral fan, you guys. You always see these type of fans, all right? So this is a camping fan. This is rechargeable, portable. Of course, it's a camping fan. It's portable. All right. So let's go ahead and get into it. It has the specs right there. Let's focus in. And y'all can pause it, do what you gotta do so y'all can see the specs, all right? So one of the key things will be the power. It says high speed, 6 hours, low speed, 25 hours for low speed. All right, and it has cautions here so you can see all your cautions. Probably won't follow the rules, you guys. We're regular consumers. All right, brushless motor. Brushless motor just means it'll last a little bit longer. All right, so here you go. And you guys, the fan is very, very compact. Portable. Take it to the soccer games, the football games, and all of that. We have a good 10 inches on this as far as the height goes. All right, the width is 8 inches. 10 inches in the height, 8 inches in the width. All right, you guys, so this thing has a light to it. All right, so 1, 2, 3. And then the head is adjustable. That looked like 180 degrees to me, but it says 270 degree adjustable head, but it seems like it tilts. Okay, when it comes down, then you're limited. Going up, you're good. And guess what, you guys? We have a nice little hook right here. So if you want to hang this, maybe on your tent, you have a 10 by 10 tent or whatever size tent. You might have a hook in the middle. This will be a nice little fan to have right there. So that's pretty cool. All right. Now you want to charge this thing. You have your USB ports right there if you need to charge it. And I believe this may also work as a power bank. So that will be awesome as well. Let's go ahead and see. This is not bad. This is not bad. You also could use this in your car, you guys. Let's say you have no air conditioning in your car. It might blow out hot air, but it's blowing out air. So it's blowing this piece of paper. I gotta aim it down some more. So y'all see that? Had a charger in the way. All right. On the 1, this is 2, 3, 4. And my intent wasn't to do this test, but this is pretty cool, you guys. Just for the simple fact it came out this package, this will be a good testing bag. So that's awesome. Definitely nice and portable. Like, it's not heavy. So if you want to hold this while you walking or something, you know, it's not uncomfortable. But this is cool, you guys. I'm telling you, this is nice, small, compact, and that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.